योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. The one who cleansed the impurities of the mind through yoga, of the speech through grammar, and of the body through medicine, I bow down with my folded palms to that highest of sages, Patanjali. Patanjala Yoga Sutrani, the abridged concepts of yoga by sage Patanjali. Prathamodhyayaha, the first chapter. Samadhipadaha, the section on an equanimous mind. Atha yoganushasanam, and now the self-discipline of yoga. Yogaschitta vritti nirodhaha, yoga is control over the compulsive cyclical actions of one of the aspects of mind called chitta. Tada drashtu svarupe vasthanam, it is then that one is established in the true sense of the seer called self. Vritti sarupyamitaratra, otherwise one is verily identified with the cyclical actions of the mind. Vrittayah panchatayah klishta klishtaha, these cyclical actions are of 5 kinds, some complex and some simple. Pramana viparyaya vikalpa nidra smritayaha, these 5 are pramana, judgment; viparyaya, misjudgment; vikalpa, imagination; nidra, sleep; and smriti, remembrance. Pratyakshanumanagama pramanani, pramana or judgment is through pratyaksha, direct experience; anumana, inference; and agama, acquisition. Viparyayo mithyajnana matadrupa pratishtham, viparyaya or misjudgment is illusory and false knowledge which is rooted in the misidentification of truth. Shabdajnananupati vastu shunyo vikalpaha, vikalpa or imagination is a result of knowing something at the surface without a complete picture. Abhava pratyayalambana vrittir nidra, nidra or sleep is a cyclical activity of rest which is supported by the state of non-being. Anubhuta vishaya sampramosha smritihi, smriti or remembrance is retaining old experiences without letting them pass. Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodhaha, these are controlled through abhyasa, practice, and vairagya, disidentification. Tatra sthitau yatno bhyasaha, abhyasa or practice is an attempt to continuously be in such a state of control. Satu dirghakala nairantarya satkara sevito dridha bhumihi, it is strengthened by prolonged, uninterrupted, and well-performed application of action. Drishtanushravika vishaya vitrishnasya vashikara sanya vairagyam, vairagya or disidentification is control over the thirst for objects of senses which have either been perceived or just been heard about. Tatparam purushakyater gunavaitrishyam, it is a state of the beyond, born out of the true knowledge of the self, when one is beyond the thirst of even the gunas or qualities themselves. Vitarka vicharananda smitarupanugamat samprajñātaha, samprajñāta samadhi or equanimous mind which still discerns is a state which is a consequence of vitarka, spiritual reasoning, vichara, deep thought, ananda, pure bliss, and asmita, being in the sense of I. Virama pratyayabhyasa purvaha samskarashe shunyaha. The other state, asampragnata samadhi, or equanimous mind beyond discernment, is a consequence of the continuous practice of giving rest to the mental activity where only one's samskaras or latent tendencies remain. Bhava pratyayo videha prakritilayanam. For those who are videha, without a body, and prakritilaya, immersed in one's own nature, this state is caused by just bhava, or simply being. Shraddha virya smriti samadhi prajna purvaka itaresham. And for all others, this state is caused as a consequence of shraddha, steadfast focus, virya, high energy, smriti, constant remembrance, samadhi, equanimity, and prajna, pure perception. Tivra samveganamasannaha. It is easily attainable to those who approach it with a keen resolve. Mrudu madhyadhimatratvat tatopi visheshaha. This resolve is of three kinds again: mrudu or mild, madhya or medium, and adhimatra or intense. Ishvara pranidhanadva. It can also be attained through pranidhana or abiding in Ishvara. Klesha karma vipakashayairaparam rishtaha purusha vishesha Ishvaraha. Ishvara is that distinguished sense of self, beyond and untouched by the realms of klesha, afflictions, karma, actions, vipaka, results, and ashaya, intentions. Tatra niratishayam sarvagnya bijam. In that Ishvara is contained the seed of all knowledge. Sapurvesham api guruh kalena navachhedat. That Ishvara is the Guru or illuminator of all who came before due to the unending nature of time. Tasya vachakah pranavaha. The descriptor of Ishvara is pranava, or the first sound. Tajjapastadartha bhavanam. It is that which is to be chanted repeatedly, and its essence which is to be contemplated upon. Tatah pratyak chetanadhigamopyantaraya bhavascha. From that arises the knowledge of individual consciousness and the absence of antaraya or obstacles. Vyadhistyana samshaya pramadalasya virati bhranti darshanalabdha bhumikatvanavasthitatvani chitta vikshepastentarayaha. Antaraya or obstacles are those which scatter the mind. They are vyadhi, illness, sthana, procrastination, samshaya, doubt, pramada, negligence, alasya, laziness, avirati, failure to not cling, bhranti darshana, hallucination, alabdha bhumikatva, inability to gain grounding, and anavasthitatva or unsteadiness. Dukkha daurmanasyangami jayatva shvasa prashvasa vikshepasaha bhuvaha. When the mind is scattered, it leads to dukkha or suffering, daurmanasya or depression, angamejayatva or losing control over the limbs, and shvasa prashvasa or labored breathing. Tat pratishedharthameka tattvabhyasaha. The only way to overcome these is through focused practice on attaining to one truth. Maitri karuna muditopekshana sukha dukkha punya punya vishayana bhavanataschitta prasadanam. the mind gets clear and pleasant through the feelings of Maitri or friendliness, Karuna or compassion, Mudita or joy, and Upeksha, neutrality towards the objects of Sukha, pleasantness, Dukkha, unpleasantness, Punya, virtue, and Apunya, vice. Prachardana vidharanabhyam va pranasya, or through the controlled inhalation and exhalation of one's prana or life airs. Vishayavati va pravrittirutpanna manasasthiti nibandhini, or the states of the mind are also steadied by sensations caused by one's own intrinsic nature. Vishokava jyotishmati, or by a bright state of mind free of sorrow. Vitaraga vishayam va chittam, or by keeping the chitta devoid of entanglement with the objects of the senses. Svapna nidra jnanalambanam va, or by seeking support in the knowledge of dream and sleep states. Yathabhimata dhyanadva, or through meditation upon any object of one's choice. Paramanu paramamahatvantosya vashikaraha, even the tiniest and the most enormous are within the grasp of such a person. Kshina vritterabhijatasyeva manir grahitra grahana grahyeshu tatsthathadanjanata samapattihi. The one whose compulsive cyclical activities are subdued and the mind is clearing up like a crystal attains to the capability of being established as one with all the activities of being the grahitra, the consumer, grahana, the act of consumption, and grahya, the consumed. Tatra shabdartha jnana vikalpaihi sankirna savitarka samapattihi. There comes the capability of Savitarka Samadhi, which unites the three factors of Shabda, the sound, Artha, its essence, and Jnana, the knowledge of it. Smriti Parishuddhau Svarupa Shunye Varthamatra Nirbhasa Nirvitarka. When even the imprints of memory clear up and it feels like one's own form is absent, such a state where only Artha or the essence shines through is called as Nirvitarka Samadhi. Etayaiva savichara nirvichara cha sukshma vishaya vyakhyata. It is by these two samadhis that the subtle concepts of savichara or thoughtfulness and nirvichara or thoughtlessness are described. Sukshma vishayatvan chalinga paryavasanam. These subtle states only remain as long as there is the perception of a form and cease to exist beyond that. Ta eva sabija samadhi. It is these states which are called as sabija samadhi or states of causal equanimity. Nirvichara vaisharadye dhyatma prasadaha. Through skill and competence in nirvichara or thoughtless states of meditation, one enters the realm of adhyatma or spirituality. Ritambhara tatra prajna. In that realm, one's perception is filled with Rita, the true reality of existence. Shrutanumana prajnabhyam anya vishaya vishesharthatvat. The knowledge of this reality is unique and different from that which is normally perceived through one's senses and logic due to its nature of being all-encompassing. Tajja sanskaronya sanskara pratibandhi. The impressions born out of this perception prevents other inherent compulsive tendencies of all kinds. Tasyapi nirodhe sarva nirodhan nirbija samadhi. When even this perception and everything else is stopped under one's control, such a state is called as Nirbija Samadhi, a state of causeless equanimity. Iti Patanjali Virachite Yoga Sutre Prathamaha Samadhipadaha. Thus is the first chapter called Samadhipada in the Yoga Sutras composed by sage Patanjali.